The EZTow autonomous tow tractor. Autonomous towing in complex environments, increasing safety, efficiency, and reliability, while addressing labor shortages with up to 50% reduction in costs. Most deployed autonomous tow tractor globally. Level 4 operations, chosen by clients around the world from heavy industry to airports and logistics. Proven software meeting the highest standards on 3 continents. Crosses indoors, outdoors, and mixed traffic up to 15 kilometers per hour. Only system on the market designed in-house for safe, long-distance obstacle detection in harsh weather. Grows as a fleet that can be integrated with third-party systems and multiple other vehicles. Safest technology on the market. Meet automation goals with confidence. For an autonomous future today.